Every bit of data or information can be stored digitally. Whether it's numbers, text, pictures, music, or video, all of it can be represented digitally. That means the information can be represented by electrical signals that are on or off, or as ones and zeros, so to speak. But representing information in ones and zeros can take up a lot of space. For example, if you wanted to store a 3-minute song digitally, it would take up over 30 megabytes of space. A 1-hour HD video would take 800 gigabytes. In the real world, digital information is compressed to take up less space. A 30 megabyte song can be compressed down to 3 megabytes. An hour-long video can be compressed from 800 gigabytes down to just 1 gigabyte. Sometimes compression is lossy, which means that to save some space, some of the information is thrown away. For example, an image can be compressed to a lower resolution to lose some detail. Lossy compression is useful because in many cases the human eye or ear can't even notice the details that are being lost. When you compress data without losing any details, that's called lossless compression. This means the compressed data can be decompressed back into the exact original. One way of doing lossless compression is to find patterns in the data you're trying to compress. As an extreme example, imagine a book about dogs with hundreds of pages using only one word. Each page just says dog, 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 over and over 1,000,000 times. Instead of writing it all out, you could just store the pattern, dog times 1,000,000. Now that's a silly example, but let's look at a more real example. Instead of a book, imagine the lyrics of a song. If a single word or phrase is repeated a lot, you can store that once and then reuse it without repeating the data.